Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Here I am Sumaya from Saika to show you how coding works, right? So in our last class we learned about data types and how they work, how many types of data types are there and all that, right? And how to initialize a variable. Today we're gonna use those variables and find some values with it. Okay, let's start our class today. So as you all know, look at this code. If we print int x, and or you can just initialize the value here too, and see out you can write x and all. Okay, endl actually breaks the line, as you all know, as I said before. So it will print what? You tell guys. It will print 10. Good. So next, today we're gonna add two numbers. Okay, so we have done a lot of things like syntax, data types and variables. Now it's time to function with this. It's time to work with this. Let's play. So how to add two numbers? So if we want to add two numbers, we have to take two variables. It's very easy. So let's go with this. So let's just choose a back color. Okay, well, let's write int main. Here adding two numbers, right? So here you go. In this main function we will take two variables x, y, like this. Okay, don't worry, I will show this to you in the compiler as well. I'm just giving you the pseudocode here, don't worry. So this is the thing, int x, y. If we want to add these two, what can we do? We can do it in two ways. First of all, C out. Please remember, you have to use this type of bracket whenever you are writing C out. Okay, then you have to say x plus y and then endl. It will, sorry, my mistake. Well, so it will print what? X, the value of x and y. Sorry, I forgot to initialize. X equals to 10 suppose, x equals y equals to 9 suppose. So what will be the output? The output will be 10 plus 9 equals 19. I hope you guys understand. Now let's come to the code again. Again, it's our compiler. Int x. Okay, let's initialize two variables, as we're gonna add two numbers, x, y. Well, again, so the first way I'm gonna show you, which is adding them by initializing those values here. X equals to 10, y equals to 9, and then you can just manually write this here, x plus y endl. See, wow, it's printed, 19 printed, right? So can you see how this is working? Okay, let me make you understand a more detail. Okay, see, in this section, in this code, suppose you have a pot like this. You have two pots, right? One pot and two pot. One pot is x, another is y. So in first pot you're gonna put 10, right? And in the second pot you're gonna put 9, as we have initialized the values here like this. Okay, so now you have to add these two things. What will you do? You just manually add two variables, x plus y, and then print it. Yes, so this is very simple, right? So the same concept we will use in our multiplication, division, and also in our summation, addition, and whenever we are minusing something. Okay, so let's go. So if we say multiply two numbers, you guys tell me what I will do. You guys just think of this. I'm just gonna change this sign. Okay, it will be this sign. Now what should be the answer? The answer should be 9 into 10, 90. Let's see. Oh yeah, it came 90, right? So yes, this means the code is working. So it's working very well. And okay, if I say divide two numbers, we'll just change the sign here. Sorry, it's by way. Let's see what happens. Well, 10 by 9. Well, I'm changing the value first. It came 2, right? So this is our correct answer, as we all can understand. Well, so this is our integer type, and we can do multiple types of functionalities with this type of data type. Now tell me, what if I say area, any kind of area, you have to, okay, area of a triangle. Well, so tell me, if I want to find the area of a triangle, what I can do right now here. I will just, okay, so let's do it in the pseudocode first. Well, just do it here. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, take this, take this. Okay, first we have to do triangle area. What do you need to do? First we need to write the formula. Point 5 multiply base and height, right? So this is our formula. So okay, so we're gonna write it in our code as well. Friends, now see, we're gonna find this out with the data type of what? Data type integer. Okay, let's see. A, B, C. Or you can tell me, you can, for example, you can take B and H, no issue with that. Okay, I'm gonna take this. So if I want to use the formula here, either I can just manually write this C out 0.5 multiply B multiply H. Sorry, every time I forget to initialize the value. Okay, this is our code, right? So it should give us the correct answer. So let's see what happens. Let me check. Wait. Okay, area of a triangle, right? So we're gonna use B equals 2 and h equals 3. So C out .5 multiply B into H. Sorry, that's my screen mode. Again, let's run it. So you guys think what should be the answer here? Three, right? It's giving 3 to us, right? But think of this. If I have used, as I have used the full form of a number, full number, it's giving us the correct answer. But what if I use here a decimal point like 2.5 and 3.6? Let's calculate it in the calculator first and then see whether it is giving us the correct answer or not. Okay, you do with me, you calculate with me and write it in the comment section what your answer came here. Okay, I'm gonna see this, we're active or not. Okay, 3.6 2.5 into 3.6 into 0.5. This answer should be 4.5, right? Well, I hope you guys did it, and let's see what comes here. Two, three. This is not the correct answer, right? This is not giving us the correct answer. There are many reasons behind this. Okay, I'm gonna tell this to you, but give some time. Let me make you understand a little bit more. Okay, 2, 3.6, well, the answer should come right now, 3.6, which is coming what? 3, right? So this means this is not giving us the number after the decimal point like this. The answer should be 3.6 and it is giving us 3. That means integer cannot give the number after the decimal point. Okay, you can note this. So what should we do, or what can we do right this time? It's a messed up, right? You cannot find the proper answer. What should we do? So in this case, we can easily use float. Okay, now it should give 3.6. Oh, see, it gave us 3.6. Okay, let me tell why we use float, not character, not something else. Okay, let's see. So you could use double here as well, double or float, it really doesn't matter. Okay, because all these two things supports decimal point. Okay, so for today we're done, and keep practicing, stay motivated, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay motivated. Okay.